welcome to the first ever video of Vlogmas. So this time I'm doing Vlogmas series, which is a Vlogmas week. So basically I'll be posting videos back to back till Christmas, that is 25th of December. Also I have a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned and you can win all the goodies. So Christmas is just around the corner. I'm so excited for Vlogmas, first because I'm doing it for the first ever time, and secondly I have tried to keep all the fun and chill videos during this Vlogmas week so that you guys can enjoy it. And also I am very excited to shoot all the videos. So let's begin with the first one. So this video is going to be a vlog. So basically I'm going to show you all the preparations which I did during the Vlogmas, or I would say while shooting the Vlogmas videos, and it's gonna be fun. So first of all, the first thing that we need to do is to decorate the Christmas tree. Yes, I have a Christmas tree this year. So I'm gonna show you where I got it from, and we have to set the whole thing up because the Christmas tree is also to be made. So we'll do all that in this video. First of all, let's have our orange juice. So I'll bring it, and then here's our juice. So first I'm gonna have it, and then we'll continue with what all things we are gonna do during this time. So basically this year I wanted to do a Vlogmas series. I did a Diwalog series for 30 days. So it was not possible for me to do Vlogmas for the entire month, but I wanted to do it, so I have done this small Vlogmas week. And I'm really so excited. I'm gonna say this 1000 times because yes, I am excited for this one. So let's see how it turns out, and stay tuned for the giveaway because you guys love the giveaways in Diwalog also. So I thought let's do one more during Christmas because it makes sense to have a giveaway during Christmas. Also, if you guys haven't watched my Diwalog videos, you can go and watch that. So you know that I had an intro during my Diwalog videos. I also want to have intro for this Vlogmas. So if you have already seen the intro at the beginning of this video, then I have already filmed it, because right now I'm just starting to set it up. So definitely I want to shoot a video intro for this one. I've done nothing. I also have to set the tree up, and it's going to be fun. So without wasting any more time, let's go to the tree because that will take more than 1 or 2 hours.
So this is how the tree came in because I've ordered it online. Look at this. It's a huge box, and also my dad is helping me out to set that up because it was so heavy. Like, doesn't look, but yeah, it was quite heavy.
So last you saw me and my dad building up the Christmas tree. Later on my mom also joined us, and we have built this beautiful Christmas tree. I'll show you the entire picture, but let me just first tell you, I have ordered this online. So if you're living in any metro cities, you have the option of buying the trees from markets, but here I don't have it. So I've ordered this online. Now the tree which I have ordered, like this one, this is like not the most affordable one which I found online. There were a lot of options, right from 300 to 20,000, 25,000. There are a lot of options. If you're someone who wants to have a tree just for decoration and a tiny one which you can put on your table and all, you can go for many options. I'll leave the links in the description. Check that out. Also I'll leave the link of this one. This one, according to my opinion, like the quality is good. Like, I'm not so disappointed, but the thing is, for the price point that I have paid, like it's something around 4,000, 5,000. So I think for this price, it's okay. Like, it's not bad, it's not good, it's fine. Like, I would go with it. But if you don't want to spend like 4-5,000 on just a tree, there are many trees available at 500,000. You can get that. You just want to have it for every Christmas, just a kind of tiny tree, you can buy that. Yeah. So what I was saying is close up of how this looks like. I have just set up the tree. Decoration is yet to be done. So right now I'll be doing the decoration. It's late in the night, so I told my parents that they can sleep, right? But yeah, I'll be decorating this. I am so excited. I love decorating Christmas trees, and I remember school days. Whenever I see Christmas trees, I am a convent student, and every convent person can relate to it. So let's decorate it. Also, I'll show you the tree. Come. So right now this is how the tree looks like. Niche we have a stand, and then here we have the tree. So it's quite long. It's more than my height. It's a 6 feet tree. As you can see, it's quite longer. Now the only thing is the leaves are tangled because it came online. So what I have to do is I am going to separate all of this while I am decorating. I tried to separate as much as I can, but still we need to figure it out because here you can clearly see there's a mess going on. So we'll do that. But look at the height. Like with the height I am quite happy because it's, as mentioned, it's a 6 feet tree. So yeah. So right now I'll be bringing the decor pieces. We'll decorate this, and Sathi will separate this one also. So let's do it. Okay, so for decoration I have got this box right here. I bought it along with the tree itself, like it comes with the tree. So first thing which I have is caps, which I already wore. So yeah, we get that caps. There are so many caps, and you can wear it, yeah, like your entire family can wear it. And remaining we have decoration, like different types of gifts and small decor pieces. So I'm gonna use this decor pieces and we're gonna decorate our tree. So excited again. So let's think I should decorate with the cap. So the first thing that I have are this round colorful balls. I would say 100 pieces, and that would be enough. So let's just decorate this. Hi guys, so it's 40 minutes later. So as you can see the tree, I have most of the gifts attached to the tree. Now 10% of the decoration is remaining, but the only problem that I faced is these are very tiny, first of all. Secondly, they are very delicate. The moment I take them in my hand, it breaks. 50% of the decoration pieces, not 50, I would say 30% of the decoration pieces are defective, so I can't use them. Also I have one more box, so I'll be decorating. I'm opening this second box. These are square types, so let's see. I hope these pieces don't turn out defective, because then it's going to be a problem. So the remaining 10%, and then I'll show you the entire tree. So let's finish the one box that is remaining. Let's talk a bit, because it's around 1:30 AM and I am exhausted. I had classes today, everything, so I am like, I want to sleep, right? So the last box of gift are this damroos. So out of all the decoration gifts, I love this damroos because these are quite sturdy. Gift boxes were okay, balls were the most disappointing one, because moment I pull the rod out, it just breaks. So yeah, I love this one. They're so light. Even if I switch on the fan at high speed, it all starts falling because they're light. I understand the tree cannot take so much weight, but this tree is very heavy. Like, you can't just lift it like that. It's very heavy. So yeah, I'm going to decorate this one, and then I will show you a close-up. Also, I'm very sleepy. I'm going to sleep right after I decorate this. And the one big mistake that I did is I should have kept this tree outside, because at night when I switch on my fan at full speed, all of these things are going to fall off and I'll be so disappointed in the morning. Let's see. Let's just do it. Finally, we are done with the tree. Look at this. Let me give you a close up. Okay you guys, so now I'm going to sleep because I'm very tired. This I'm going to keep outside because it will be better there. Here things will keep on falling, so I'll keep that outside and I'm going to sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
So you guys, today is the next day and today I'm shooting for the intro which you saw in the beginning. So this is the Christmas tree and look how beautiful it looks. I have also used fairy lights here and it just adds to the beauty. Also all these things you already saw in the intro, but yeah, I'm just giving you some close shots of all the things which I have used, and I'm just filming the intro right now.
Hi guys, it's around 2 a.m. I'm eating this pastry which I used for the intro. Speaking slowly because everyone's sleeping. I'm exhausted like anything.
Also, I'm hungry because I didn't eat anything. It's so yum.
Also you guys, it's Christmas and how can I not keep a giveaway for you? So here I am announcing one giveaway. Rules of this giveaway will be in the description box below. Make sure you check that out.
So these are the product for today's giveaway.
Also the rules are quite simple and I just want you all to participate in the giveaway, and I just love the response on the past giveaways. So I'll be announcing the winners on 1st of January, that is after I think 10 days. Yeah, so make sure you participate in the giveaway. Rules are in the description box, do check that out. And yeah,
that is all about today's video. I hope you guys would have loved it.